various aspects of the safety items, etc. And definitely the safety on the water message has gone out loud and clear.
At a boat expo, and it's awesome. It's totally awesome. I'm having the best time of my life here.
We're here and the boat show was actually a lot busier last year. There were a lot more feed coming through, but I think the quality of customers this year is maybe a little bit better than last year, because even for less amount of people, the sales still went through.
I would say the show was great for us because we do what we were not expecting to do. That's all I can say. We will come again next time. We were here last year and we did well, so I'm happy about that.